guys, today I want to do an unboxing and review on my Groven Premium Cocktail Smoker Kit. I've had one before and they're like just super nice to have. It just gives it that more upscale taste and look, especially if you're doing cocktails. So let's look it up. So I'll give you what it looks like right out of the box. Definitely would make a great gift set. But let's see. Cool. So here's the torch. You will need to get your own butane. It's the one I use. I'll leave everything down below, but this actually looks pretty cool. This one we'll use. It's got a little filter on it, and this will just literally go over the glass like so. I'll put it like that. And then we should, let's see, we should have about 3 or 4. So we got oak. Bam. We have apple wood. And then we have pecan. And then we have cherry wood chips. Awesome. So definitely plenty to choose from. Got your instruction manual here. Oh, this is very nice. Let's see. You could put whiskey here. Take this piece out. Maybe set like your cigars here. So I'm gonna get this all set up, fill this up with butane, fill up our cup, and see how it works. All right, I believe we're all set up. I do want to mention it also has like a little spoon to scoop up all the little wood chips, so you can place some right in here, and then like a little cleaning bristle that looks like this. So like I said, it's got like a little cigar section here, a spot for your whiskey. It's like an all-in-one stop shop. So we'll go ahead and fire it up. I went ahead and already filled it up. So it has a less and more depending on how big you want the torch to push out, and then it has a lock option. So let's say you want to keep the fire going for a little bit, you just push how far you want the flame to come out, and then hit lock, and you don't have to keep pushing it. So should be good to go. Look, there it is. So we'll go ahead and try this out. I think we'll try let's see. I think we might go pecan on this one. Okay. Okay. I'm sure you can adjust how much you would like to add, but we'll go ahead and fire this bad boy up. Let's see if we can just get that just slightly close so you can see the effects of it. Maybe I'll hold on to this piece right here like so. Oh, that's so cool. And the smoke go in there. Very cool. Let's hit it one more time. That is so cool. I'm not sure if it's giving the effect on there, but it looks really cool. So this is definitely a really good premium smoker kit. It's got some awesome flavors that you can choose from. Like everything just looks really high end, including the torch that comes here. So if you're looking for a nice smoker kit, because these make great gifts, or just for your own bar, just to have it take to a party, highly recommend this, and definitely a 10 out of 10.